Lines are not gonna be perfect, but that's okay. Alright, I'm trying. Okay, I'm trying. Alright. And then there's just this sign up here at the eye that I want to get down. So I'm going to try to finish what I have, and I'll come back to y'all in a second while we still work together. Alright, y'all, we are back camera 2, and I laid down my white where I want that yellow to go, and I'm going to try to go back over it. But before I do that, I'm going to take a smaller edge of a brush, if I can, to get the dots under my eyes. Or, worst come to worst, use a Q-tip. Nope, that's not gonna work either. Ooh. Alright, let me try one of my thin brushes. Now I see I have the general look down. I'm going to go with that yellow now. Now let me get my brush that I had so I can go back in and put that yellow in over top of the white. So matter of fact, I'm going to use a brush like this to go over the yellow. And really try to fill in that yellow color. Wherever I put the white. Now, I have to be honest, I did like the white a little better, but I'm gonna stay true to the theme. And do the yellow like it is on the packaging. Alright, and as y'all can see what I'm doing, I'm trying to go back over the yellow with the yellow over the white. So I'll come back to y'all once I'm done. So like I was saying, one of the things I also noticed that I did wrong is I put down this white over my lip before it was time. So it's not completely true to the actual art on the packaging, but it's not too far off. I think it definitely comes out better and pops better with the white, so I'm gonna keep it with the white. Yeah, because I was messing it up with that yellow, so I'm gonna just keep it the way it is with the white. Now I'm gonna go over my lips. Now, like I told you on the packaging, I'll show you the packaging again. The lip is pink, but I want to do a darker lip. I got a feeling a darker lip is going to actually come out better. So I'm going to use black opal. I'm using 240 ebony wine. And I'm going to use that for my lips instead of the pink. I have a feeling I would have just had to do too much to get a really good pink lip. So I'm going to, okay. One thing to know, black opal packaging, but this is it, black opal. It's in ebony wine. Ooh, it's a nice, really dark and rich color. But let's see how it comes out. I want to do a darker lip. Alright, I'm finished with my lip and I'll come back. Alright, I'm back. On the actual display art. They go over the top of the lid with an eyeliner. I could do that, but I actually like the way it looks now. Let me show y'all again the inspiration to it. Y'all let me know how y'all think I did. This was the inspiration look, and this is the actual look. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. Let me know how I did, what y'all like about it, what y'all dislike about it, what things I can improve on. But I like it. I'm glad I did it. Yeah. I definitely would have did different things like applying the white down to make sure that the yellow came out. I would have did something different. I actually would have mixed a loose pigment powder with the Maron Clown White, and I would have put that down like a paste over the areas where that yellow was supposed to go. But I actually really like this a lot. Let me know what y'all think of it. This is the Juvia's Warrior 3 palette. Like I said, highly pigmented, really good quality makeup. They always have deals going on. They're pretty inexpensive, generally speaking, even with their products. So I say pick y'all some up. Look up different things that y'all feel like will work for y'all. Use this video as an inspiration if y'all can. Use it as a tutorial. I'll be uploading more tutorial videos that kind of show y'all how I put these looks together and how I created these looks and achieved them in different one step to the other. So y'all can kind of follow along and try them at home yourself. But actually, I'm not mad at that. I think this is pretty cool. Alright, so don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Follow me on Instagram at Mike Universal Artist. That's at Mike Universal Artist. I'm also on Facebook at Mike1983. You find me on my YouTube. Hit the notification bell. I also have Cash App. That is $ Mike the Farmer. I'm sorry. That is my that is Cash App. Yeah. Hashtag or $ Mike the Farmer. $ Mike the Farmer for my Cash App. PayPal.me/Mike the Farmer for my PayPal. And just join me on my videos. And I hope y'all enjoyed this. And I hope I did a good job. Let me know what you think. Alright, so until next time, enjoy life. Enjoy beauty. Live life. Let nothing stop you. Let no one tell you no. And just keep achieving goals and doing your thing like I. Alright. Talk to y'all later. Juvia's Place Warrior Pilot.